Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Now, let's review what we have learned last week. I will say the words, you listen, and you repeat after me, okay? Okay, let's review about your family. This is part 1, okay? Let's start. I will say the words, you will listen, and you repeat after me, okay? Members of the family. Father, mother, brother, sister, baby boy, and lastly is baby girl. Okay, so you have there the members of the family. Okay, we have learned as well the family song, okay? And I know that you know already the song, but we will not sing it right now. I will just read, okay? When father in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When father in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Mother, brother, sister, and baby. Okay, so that's our song last time. Okay, now let's answer these questions, what we have learned last time. What's the name of your father? My father's name is... Very good. What's the name of your mother? Excellent. How many are you in the family? Okay, that's great. You know how to answer that question, okay? Now, today we will study about the places in your school. Okay. Now you have here a place where you eat. This is a canteen. Canteen. C-A-N-T-E-E-N. Canteen. Next is classroom. This is where you study, okay? You learn. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Okay. Next is library. This is where you read, okay? L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. Next is music room. M-U-S-I-C-R-O-O-M. Music room. This is where you learn how to sing. Okay. Now you have here another toilet. T-O-I-L-E-T. Toilet. This is where you wash your face, wash your hands, etc. Then you have science room. S-C-I-E-N-C-E-R-O-O-M. Science room. Okay. So these are the places in your school. Now let's repeat again, okay? You have canteen, classroom, library, music room, and this one is toilet. Then you have science room. Okay, remember, we will be learning this throughout, okay? Now let's answer these questions. Where do you eat lunch? So where do you eat lunch? Okay, look at the picture. You know this? Okay, the answer is you is the answer for I. Okay, the answerable I, and then you follow this one, eat lunch. I eat lunch in the canteen. Okay, next, number 2. Where do you learn English? Where do you learn English? Okay, look at the picture. So what is this? What place of the school is here in the picture? Okay, so you, the answer for you is what? It's I. Okay, so I learn English in the classroom. Okay, remember. Okay, number 3. Where do you read books? Okay, where do you read books? You have a lot of books there, okay? So the answer is you is answerable with I. Okay, I read books in the library. Okay, notice that the color is the same and it's the technique how you answer the question. Okay, let's repeat and you will answer, okay? Okay, where do you eat lunch? Okay, very good. I eat lunch in the canteen. Okay, next, number 2. Where do you learn English? Excellent. So the answer is I learn English in the classroom. Number 3. Where do you read books? Okay, very good. I read books in the library. Okay. Now let's have more questions. Where do you learn to sing? What place is this in your school? Okay, the answer is I learned to sing in the music room. Okay. Number 5. Where do you wash your hands? Okay, the answer is I wash my hands in the toilet. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, I wash my hands in the toilet. Number 6. Where do you do your experiment? So in school you have this experiment, you know, and where is that? Okay, you have there the tools for experiment. So what is that? I do my experiment in the science room. Okay, so remember that the place where you sing or learn to sing is music room. And you wash your hands, you wash your face in the toilet. And you have the experience or experiment in the science room. Okay, let's repeat and you will answer, okay? Where do you learn to sing? Look at the picture. Okay, very good. I learned to sing in the music room. Number 5. Where do you wash your hands? Look at the picture. Okay, that's great. I wash my hands in the toilet. Okay, number 6. Where do you do your experiment? Look at the picture. Excellent. I do my experiment in the science room. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot for today. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Goodbye.